Hey guys out there, this is George coming to you with georgepauly.com, and we are going to review simple affiliate machines. We're going to take a look and actually find out what it is. We're going to find out how do you use it, what do you have to do, kind of thing. And then if you do decide to get it, and if you do decide to use it, can you make any money with it? Because that's really the ultimate question is, if I buy this, can I make any money? If I do the work, can I make any money? So anyways, we're here on a bonus page. If you do decide that you like this simple affiliate machines, in the description of the YouTube video down below, there's a link that says get simple affiliate machines and then the bonuses. And that will take you to this bonus page here. So looking at the members area here inside of Simple Affiliate Machines, what is it? It is some instruction and there's some product in there and some funnels that will start, if you're a newbie, you could start a business, start an affiliate business and start promoting other stuff here like modern podcasting, traffic. You know, right now this is early November 2020, so diets are coming up first of the year. Everyone says that they want to lose weight coming on the first of the year. You know, intermittent fasting and supercharge your body, and some other ones here. So anyways, muscle building 101 down here. So anyways, when you build a funnel, when you are, let's just say, if I'm going to assume you're new, okay, and you're not an affiliate, you're not an experienced marketer, you've had some time in trying to get started but never got any traction. It really all comes down to getting people in front of your offer, okay? So it doesn't matter really what your offer is. If it's dog stuff, you better make sure that there's dog lovers that are coming to your offer. Because if they're horse lovers, they're probably not going to buy anything. It's all about traffic. It's about getting the right traffic, the right pair of eyes that have a credit card, have some money, that are in front of your stuff. So going over to the sales page here, which you guys have probably already seen, says here you can make $263 per day. And you can check out a lot of this here on your own, the numbers, the stats, and all that in the video for that matter. But what I want to go over before we actually dive into taking a look at what the meat of the simple affiliates machine is, let's go back to traffic. All right, let's go back to traffic, because in order for you to make a sale, you've got to have some people there, again, some traffic. So some bonuses here. I've called this bonus X because this is for the Expert Secrets book. It's a free book. You pay for shipping here in the United States. It is available digitally worldwide. So this is available in my bonus offer here. You know what? And also what I'll do, I'll also put a link down in the YouTube description there, so you can just kind of click on that if you decide not to get the this program. But you want to get traffic, and what this simple affiliate machine, it's an easy way for your customers to get going in affiliate marketing. So excuse me, there's going to be two types of people that are watching this. You're already an affiliate marketer and you want to get this going, or you just need something else to add to your affiliate marketing, to your black book. You're going to get 15 funnels that you're going to be able to use. All right, so when it says they here, this is really for you, unless you want to get the resale rights to this. But basically there's 15 funnels that are already built. It's already set up. It looks very, very simple to get this done. So what is this? Simple Affiliate Machines is some training, some coaching on affiliate marketing, and it gives you some funnels with some product to kind of get up and running and doing that. Now, if you decide to take action on it and you do want to promote some of these done for you funnels with the product already there, then you can make some money. It's going to take a little bit of work. Again, you need to drive some traffic, But if you'd like that, click in the bottom of the YouTube description there and go ahead and you can pick this up. So how much is it? The front end, we call that the entry level, $13. There's an upsell here of the Machines Pro for $37. And what is that? There you get 10 more funnels. Okay, so this over here you get 15. Over here you get 10 more, which is going to be 25. And over here for $15 a month, you'll get 4 new funnels every month. So as new products get released, as the world turns and the seasons change and the different holidays, we want to stay ahead of that. So that might be worth something to you. Upsell number 3, training call and email access, which would mean that you were going to get Ryan, who's one of the producers of this program. You're going to get his personal email address for 6 months and 1 hour of coaching call. So I've always liked having hands-on help when I'm putting something together, trying to do something, because I'm not always the sharpest tool in the shed. So reseller rights. Again, if you want to resell this, there you go, 67 bucks. The complete done-for-you system for 700. What are we going to get here? You'll get all the product, including sales pages, everything. Okay, you'll get everything. So what are some key benefits? This is completely done for you. You don't need any domains or any of that kind of stuff. This is probably for the most basic affiliate marketing. You can earn a 6-figure, okay? People just like you, they're making money, 30-day money back guarantee, that's kind of standard. Some bonuses here, all right? Doesn't matter, even if you pick up the $13 program here, there's bonuses here which you will get. All right, there's expert secrets. You can, even if you don't want to spend the 13 bucks, you can get this free book plus shipping. Fantastic book. I've read it more than once. So the first real bonus here that actually has some value on it of $427.95. This is Aurora, and Aurora, this automates webinars. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, a webinar is something that you watch and it goes through a sales process. It's kind of like somebody sitting in front of you. If you are already a marketer and you know about webinars, you know this here, boom, but you're only going to have access to this for 24 hours. The next one over here, bonus number 2, is CTA bots. CTA is call to action. So these are hacks on how to use different bots. So when people click call to action, it's like, click here, sign up, get your free book. That's a call to action. This right over here, get your free book, that's a call to action. And so this is a way to monetize from that. The third one here is 40 high quality lead magnets that you can build your list for. Again, traffic, all right, and lists and emails and all that. If you have a business, say selling pizzas, I always like to use that one. You've got a storefront and you've got a phone. You need people to come into your store and order a pizza or call up on the phone and have one delivered. You need traffic. And so these lead magnets is basically, hey, come buy a pizza from me. I'll give you a free Coke or a free drink or some garlic bread or chicken wings. Okay, those are lead magnets. And you're going to get you're going to get 40 high quality from this. The next one here now is Eclipse. And Eclipse is hijacking big affiliate traffic. So you're going to learn that. That's a course all in itself. Number 5, of course, is all the access to the vendor bonuses. This is delivered here on Warrior Plus. So if you do decide to get this, you'll click on one of these red boxes. You'll end up going over to the sales page. And at the sales page, you'll see one of these things right here is where you can get it. And then when you provide your payment, and that all goes through, you'll have a link to Warrior Plus. You log in, and then you access your product, and then there's a blue button that says access additional bonuses, and that's where you'll get this. Now again, this bonus page is in the bottom description of the YouTube video, and you can go ahead and click on that and read a little bit more about this. Now, let's get into this whole thing, what this is all about. So I think that this real simple here, all right, is some simple videos that instruct you on how to do this and that. Here are some upgrades, and if you haven't upgraded, you'll see this coming on. I've got a preview version of this, okay? You got 3 trainings. A traffic training, again, there's the traffic. Little black book of traffic, boom. Social traffic plan, boom, okay? Here is the webinar on the traffic, okay? So this is about an hour long. You're going to get that. The little black book has all these links here on email sites and free traffic and paid traffic. The social traffic, again, here, these are PDFs. I believe that you'll be able to download, and social traffic plan, and then your checklist. So that's a really nice bonus there. So how about some of these modern podcasting? I'm going to talk about fasting. This is a diet thing. Again, things are going to be coming in here, all right? So what happens here is I'm going to open up another page, and it's loading right here. So bam, this is a sales page, the first part of the funnel that you're going to get. Here, I'll show you a picture of a funnel. And the funnel has these separate steps in it, and everyone goes through it, all right? You've been through funnels many a time. Maybe you just haven't realized it. But anyways, so intermittent fasting, boom, there's a YouTube video here. If people like it, bam, they go buy now. And then this whole sales page is done for you, okay? It's all done for you. This is one of the many products that you'll get in this, if it's this Simple Profits here that you like, okay? Simple Profit Machine, boom. And then, of course, there's some other bonuses here, the Bing ads, Facebook groups, Facebook ads, and pocket change traffic. So, again, what is this? This is a simple way to get started in the affiliate marketing. And if you're already in affiliate marketing, there's some done for you funnels that are just kind of ready to go. Just push them out there. What do you have to do? Well, you're going to have to go ahead and get this. You can get that through the link down below and go through the sales process and buy it. But you're going to have to go back in through here and follow the instructions and start getting some of these. All right, you're going to do that. And if you do promote them, you do send traffic to it, diet things are coming up. So I think you'll be able to make some money. Anyways, this is George. I hope that this has made you well. And I hope you're having a good day. Anyways, thank you very much, guys. Go out there, make some money. Bam!